Hi guys, hey everyone. I haven't seen you for a lot of time. So today you see that I'm working on the IQ Ocean platform, and today I'm gonna show you how to work with two indicators, fractal indicator and the most important one is parabolic SAR. So let's go ahead. And here I'm gonna choose the indicators. Fractal, I'm gonna change only the color. And the last one, parabolic SAR. Okay, and apply. So guys, on the screen we are working with the candles and two indicators. Blue points. This these blue points are parabolic SAR, and this arrow sign is fractal. So my first amount is $100. And I'm going to show you how it works. If you want to buy put option, we need parabolic SAR be at the bottom of the red candle. So, oh, oops. So right now, I'm not seeing that. Okay. And good moment for buying call option is when the parabolic SAR is on the top of the green candle, and the distance between them is getting closer, like this one, but I don't want to hurry up because I want to be sure. Okay, and this is good tip for you. Okay, don't want to wait. I've made my first bet, so let's see what will be. And right here, this is good tip for you, is trader's mode indicator, which displays the current call or put trend ratio. Okay, so we have first purchase time and after expiration time. So it lasts 1 minute. Okay, and expiration time. So 5 seconds left, and right now is good, everything. So $84, good beginning. And I'm going to continue my work here. Don't forget to click on the bell sign bottom because you will see the latest video on my channel. Okay. So you know that it is not enough to know the basic steps and to work with them. Skills, actually your skills working with the indicators. Of course, it is necessary to be confident with yourself and uh, to make your own decisions, not only on the instructions. Okay, so $200. The distance is getting closer. Okay, and the expiration time. So I cross my fingers. Okay. 15 seconds left. Don't fall down. 10 seconds left. 5 seconds left. Come on. Oh my gosh, don't fall down, please. Oh, 168. It was too nervous. Oh my gosh. Okay, and I go back to my initial position, $100. It will be enough. Okay. So right now we see that parabolic star here is at the bottom of the candles. So we need the other direction. We need the red stingle or red stingle, red stick. The direction of the red stick should be falling down. Don't grow up, come on. Not good. Oh, 6, 5. Okay, again, $200. Okay, really good. And ta-da, $252. Okay, so right now I go back to $100. It will be enough. I don't want to be nervous again. And okay, I've made call option. Come on, rising up, please. Please, come on, just a little bit. Yep, just a little bit. 3, 2, 2, and 1. Yep. Oh my gosh. $84. Good. Okay. Just a little. $100. Okay, $200. And move on. So you see the reversal sign, fractal sign. I'm waiting 2 candles. So on the 3rd candle, I will start to think. Okay, 10 seconds left. 5 seconds left. And okay, 161. Guys, so here you see how you can work with fractal and parabolic star indicators. Remember that fractal shows possible reversal and parabolic star indicates current trend. So don't forget to click on the bell sign button, subscribe to my channel. If you have some questions or you do not understand something, you may ask them because I always read your comments, and see you on the next time. Bye.